Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Binance stopped supporting large rival stablecoin USDC. Well, that's interesting, and let's talk about it. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is one of the reasons why yesterday the market dropped quite sharply, I would say, that Russia has cut off gas supply to Europe indefinitely. And the third thing is all about Ethereum's Bellatrix upgrade, which was on yesterday. And you know, this was the last move before the merge. And well, there were some problems, but things, looking quite okay. Okay, guys, so all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Well, yesterday we could see a drop on the market. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin went down more than 6%. Right now, 18,757 US dollar, one Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum 9% down, 1,513 US dollar. When we're looking at the winners, well, not big winners at all. Leo went up, 4.6. Then we have Helium 3%. That's it. On the other hand, when we're looking at the loser side, then Lido down 17%. Ethereum Classic 16. Then we have USDC 14%, and so on and so forth. So definitely, yesterday had it. Look at this candle here. This was here in yesterday in the evening hours. European time. It's around here, 6-ish. It started to go down. We broke this level, what we are kind of holding here since the 27th of August. We are, since that, moving regularly sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down. But this line, this 19,500, 600 kind of thing, 600, that worked pretty well until yesterday. And now we're down here. And when you come back here, you can see that in this zone, which is end of 18,000, so 18,900-ish, 800, something like that. This was also, support line in the past, not that long ago, because it was during the summer. And we came back to here. But the next step, if things looking pretty bad, could be, again, we revisiting this 17,000, 700-ish level. So that's why I'm watching that this could be the next one. After that, good question. Depends on the news, what we can hear. And when we're looking at, here, the DXY is just getting stronger and stronger, the US dollar, compared to the other 6 fiat currencies, which are in the other basket. And look, we have here reached definitely 110, and we haven't seen this in 20 years. Okay, so that's kind of continues. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic I would like to talk about, oh, by the way, before I move on to the first topic, liquidations. As you can see, there are some longs were liquidated yesterday here on the 6th of September. Because of this drop we have witnessed. So many people are still greedy and using leverage, a lot of leverage. This is what happens to them. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And this is actually Binance, which is the issuer, the third biggest stablecoin, stopped supporting the large rival USDC, which is the second biggest stablecoin. So let's talk about it. The thing is that in the bull market, everybody is making money. But, when it comes to the bear market, I think the survival mode is on everywhere. And Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. And I think it's well, interesting move because I haven't thought about it, but kind of makes sense. Look, when you're looking at here, the market cap of the top stable coins, then we have Tether, which market cap is 67 billion US dollar. Then we have USDC 51, and then on here basically the sixth biggest cryptocurrency by market cap and the third biggest when it comes to stable coins is Binance USD, which is almost 20 billion US dollar. And now what they're doing, it's basically saying that, okay, we stop supporting the big rivals. So I just wanted to zoom in for you guys a little bit. So Binance said basically on Monday that it will convert all investment in USDC, PAX dollar, which is USDP, and True USD, which is TUSD, into BUSD, so Binance USD, at the end of this month on the 29th of September. And customers transferring those tokens to the exchange will see them automatically converted into Binance stablecoins. So if you are in the future sending your USDC to Binance, then be aware of it that it will be automatically a BUSD when it arrives to the exchange. However, customers will be able to withdraw money denominated in USDC, USDP, and TUSD when removing money from Binance. But you cannot basically trade with those because you will have it in BUSD. And well, the thing is that they have to use every single tool how to they survive this market, and the company Circle is behind. Which connects to Coinbase, is behind USDC, and definitely with this move, because Binance is the biggest when it comes to trading volume as a cryptocurrency exchange, well, they will push BUSD and people will probably convert a lot of money into BUSD if they would like to use Binance. USDT, which is the number one stablecoin, it stays as it is. So we haven't talked about this, but these three will be converted into BUSD. Okay. So this was the first thing I wanted to talk about. I think it's important. Okay, the second thing is that yesterday we have seen this price drop on the market, and I think it has something to do with that Russia has cut off gas supply to Europe indefinitely. So meanwhile, there is an energy war going on between, we have the big player like Russia, obviously, but there we have the other part of the world. And winter is coming. So when it comes to gas, comes to energy, well, it's an important issue. And it looks like that Kremlin is seeking to force Europe to lift economic measures in order for Moscow to turn taps back on ahead of winter. They actually saying that, okay, guys, we're switching these kind of things off, the gas supply to Europe. So Germany can face some problems. By the way, Germany, well, they have they storing now gas, and actually they ahead of the plan, but they never had that before, that they just have to use what they have stored already in the storage. It was always incoming gas in this kind of winter periods. So this is interesting how they will handle it, and there are many questions how they can do it. So this latest move has significantly increased the risk that Europe may not get further gas flows through Nord Stream 1 for the whole winter. And this is Putin's weapon, basically. Fight back the sanctions, which they have to face of this because of this war situation they have started. And now it's energy war is going on, and because of this, we don't know how Europe's economy, energy situation going to look like during the winter. But things not looking too pretty, to be honest with you. And there is a big uncertainty on the market, a big fear on the market. And that causes definitely further price drops on the stock market, on the cryptocurrency market, until a point when, of course, you're going to recover. But right now, we're on the way down. Okay, so that was the second thing I wanted to mention. And then we have, merge coming up pretty soon in a couple of days time, basically between the 10th and 15th. 20th August, so probably around the 15th. And not August, September. Okay, so around 15th of September. And just yesterday, we had the latest upgrade, Bellatrix. And well, there were some problems, but maybe things looking now okay. So what we had yesterday was the Bellatrix upgrade, preparing, Ethereum for the merge, was successfully completed on Tuesday. However, concerns were raised over an almost 1 in 10 missed block rates across the last 600 slots. So it wasn't perfect, what happened. So, however, 5% of validators dropped offline during the hard fork, which contributed to 9% missed block rate, according to Martin Koppelman. And, the 9% figure was 1,700% higher than historically missed blocks rate, which was, 0.5%. So the issue may be related to the 25.6% of clients that Ethernodes cites as not ready for the merge. Here you can see that actually 74%, roughly speaking, they're ready, and we have about 25, bit more than 25, they are not ready. Then others saying that though if we see things like validators dropping off the network due to the configuration issues, missed block slots, or some clients having major bugs, these things wouldn't be cause for major concern, as they are relatively easy to recover. And so now, post Bellatrix, a few statistics. So network participation rate is 94.94%. So almost 95. Number of active validators, here you can see it. Number of validators, offline validators also here. So much lower than the active ones. So actually overall things looking okay, but it wasn't as smooth as they planned, but it happened, and now really the merge is the next step. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button, and that's it. Keep yourself up to date. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.